blowing very hard. It doesn't go anywhere. Okay? It went somewhere. The wind is dying down. It went backwards! And Amber is very strong, I guess. It's blowing me away! Amber, get it! Go get it! Come on, let's run! Hey, look, I can jump over a fence. You suck. No wonder you didn't play volleyball. Oh, dang.
We both thought the same thing. Let's videotape the porta potty.
Porta potty? Camera. Camera. Porta potty. I'm tired.
Tips over trash can.
Because it's windy outside, like we said. Okay, we're going to go now. Bye-bye.